Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of the River Rats. Today we're fishing the river. Yeah, last probably a few times doing this. Bass season's coming to a close here in Minnesota, so. Off to a rough start, already dropped the middle bag on the concrete, so. Hooked up, folks. Hooked up. Good fighter. Not bad, actually. Careful. Not bad, huh?
You got bow flip or what? Oh, Jesus.
Not bad, dude.
You got it? Nice.
It's a good start. Look at that guy.
A really good start.
3.13, folks. 3.13. Solid little fish there.
Yeah?
Alright, we just caught this nice, probably 3.5, 3 3/4 fish. $3.85, good fish.
Almost 4 pounder.
Almost 4 pounder. Beauty too. Good fish, nice. Beauty. 4.1, biggest fish of the day. Absolute horse. Just a thick winter bass. Yeah, beautiful too. No hook marks or anything. Just a beauty bass.
Nice house. Out on the river.
Out on the river. Guys, 4.1, absolute beauty. Look at that thing. Just amazing. Colors on that. Let's get a release on her.
I got it.
I think it's a chunk. Dude, it's a giant.
It's a
giant. Oh my gosh, oh my god, that thing's a horse. Oh my god. Dude, that thing's heavy.
Got it.
That thing's a big one. Oh, dude. Oh my gosh. Look at that one, that's a giant.
Dude, that's a...
That one's probably forward skinny. Let's go, dude. He's a stud.
Want to go in?
That's a 21 incher. Oh man, that thing's giant, dude. 20 inches. 20 and... Hey, what is it on the half? Is it 20 3/4? Yeah, it's 20 3/4. Yep. Dude, that thing's a stud. 456.
4.5.
4.5, dude.
Dude.
Look how big that thing is.
Dude, imagine that thing was full.
Oh gosh, let's go. 21 inch fish going back. Freaking river beauty, dude. There she goes. See you later, bud. Alright guys, well thank you for watching today's video. Last fish today right here, probably a pound and a half, but yeah, we pounded them at the end of the day. Caught a 4.5, a 4.1, and then a lot of threes, so
Yeah.
yeah, good day. Before the winter storm, supposed to get like 20 inches of snow, so and last days of bass fishing season. So enjoying it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next videos.